Hello students, in the last video we have solved some examples on Fourier series. Today also we will solve some more examples. So here I have taken one example. Find a Fourier series in minus pi to pi to represent the function f of x is equal to x minus x square. Hence deduce that pi square by 2 is equal to 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square minus 1 by 4 square. So as you can see here, this is a function f of x is equal to x minus x square is a function of period 2 pi. Here given interval is minus pi to pi. So our period is nothing but here pi minus of this minus pi, which is 2 pi. So this is also a function of period 2 pi. As we know that the Fourier series of a function of period 2 pi is given as f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity bn sin nx. Here we have to find these three constants a naught, an and bn. We know that a naught is nothing but 1 divided by pi integration from the given interval minus pi to pi f of x dx, and an is 1 divided by pi integration from minus pi to pi f of x into cos nx dx, and bn is 1 divided by pi integration from minus pi to pi f of x into sin nx dx. First we will find a naught. So a naught is 1 divided by pi integration from minus pi to pi. Our f of x is nothing but here x minus x square. So x minus x square into dx. Now we will integrate this function x minus x square with respect to x. We will get 1 by pi as it is. Take a bracket. Integration of x with respect to x is x square by 2 minus integration of x square is x cube by 3. Our limits are from minus pi to pi. Next we will apply upper limit and lower limit. First we will apply upper limit. So this 1 by pi as it is. Upper limit is pi. In place of x put pi. So it is pi square by 2 minus pi cube by 3. Next we will apply lower limit. Minus, take a bracket, minus pi whole square by 2, this minus sign, and minus pi whole cube by 3. Simplify this one, we will get 1 by pi as it is, pi square by 2 minus pi cube by 3 minus pi square is nothing but plus pi square by 2. I will take this minus sign inside the bracket. So this is minus into this plus is minus. Minus of minus, which is plus. Again here we have minus pi whole cube, which is minus pi cube by 3. So plus pi square will get cancelled. We left with 1 by pi, and here it is minus pi cube by 3. Minus pi cube by 3 is minus 2 pi cube by 3. From this 1 pi and this pi will get cancelled. So our a naught is minus 2 pi square by 3. But in the formula or in the series we want a naught by 2. So I will divide a naught by 2 on both the side. or else I take this to this side. So I will get a naught by 2 is nothing but minus pi square by 3. So this is our a naught by 2. Next we will find an. So here an is nothing but what? 1 by pi integration from minus pi to pi f of x into cos nx dx. So an is equal to 1 divided by pi integration from minus pi to pi. What is our f of x here? X minus x square into cos nx dx. Now you can see here, this is in the form of u into v. So if it is in the form of u into v, we have to apply Bernoulli's rule here. So applying Bernoulli's rule. So we'll apply here Bernoulli's rule. Take x minus x square as u and cos nx means trigonometry. Always we have to take polynomial equation as u and trigonometric function or exponential functions are as v. So an is equal to 1 divided by pi. This 1 by pi as it is, apply Bernoulli's rule. We have to put u as it is, that is x minus x square as it is. Integration of v means integration of cos nx with respect to x, which is sin nx divided by n minus alternate sign differentiation of u, that is x minus x square. Differentiation of x with respect to x is 1 minus differentiation of x square with respect to x is 2x. Again integration of this, that is integration of v dx, which is integration of sin nx is minus cos nx divided by n. Because we have here already one n, so it is n into n, which is n square. Next again alternate sign plus, after minus, plus differentiation of this term, which is differentiation of 1 is 0 minus differentiation of 2x is what? 2. Integration of this term, that is minus sign as it is. Integration of cos nx is plus sin nx divided by n. Here we have n square. So n into n square is n cube. Next again alternate sign minus, after plus minus differentiation of this term, that is 0. If you integrate again, you will get 0 only. So up to here we have to integrate. Bracket close. Our limits are from minus pi to pi. So as we know that sin n pi or sin minus pi is nothing but 0. We know the result. Sin n pi or sin minus n pi is nothing but 0, or sin 0 is always 0. So directly we can take sin terms as 0. Here also we have sin term. This is also 0. Wherever sin term is there, we can take directly it as 0. So we left with an is equal to 1 by pi. This term is 0. Here we have minus into minus, which is plus 1 minus 2x into cos nx divided by n square. This term is 0. So next terms are also 0. Limits are from minus pi to pi. Next we will apply upper limit and lower limit. So we will get, I take this n square to the outside. So this is 1 by n square into pi. Wherever x is there, put upper limit as pi. 1 minus 2 into pi cos n pi. Next we will apply lower limit. Take minus 1 minus 2 into minus pi. So cos n into minus pi. Simplify this one. 1 divided by n square pi as it is. This is 1 minus 2 pi into cos n pi minus 1 into 1 minus of minus is plus 2 pi into, as you know that cos of minus x is cos plus x only. So this is cos n pi. I'll take cos n pi which is common outside. So this is 1 divided by n square pi into cos n pi. We left with here 1 minus 2 pi minus, take this minus sign inside the bracket. So it is minus 1 minus of plus is minus 2 pi. So this is, as you know that cos n pi is nothing but what? Minus 1 raised to n divided by n square pi. Minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled. This is minus 4 pi. Pi will get cancelled. So our an is nothing but here minus 4 into minus 1 raised to n divided by n square. This can be also written as, this minus 4 is nothing but what? Minus 1 into 4. And here we have minus 1 raised to n. So if the bases are same, we can add the powers. So this can be done as 4 into minus 1 raised to n plus this 1. N plus 1 divided by n square. So our an is nothing but 4 into minus 1 raised to n plus 1 divided by n square. We left with, we have to find next bn. So bn is nothing but what? 1 divided by pi integration from minus pi to pi f of x sin nx dx. So 1 divided by pi as it is, integration from minus pi to pi. Our f of x is what? X minus x square into sin nx dx. This is also in the form of u into v. We will again apply here Bernoulli's rule. So applying Bernoulli's rule. So bn is equal to 1 by pi as it is. Apply Bernoulli's rule. U as it is, that is x minus x square as it is. Integration of sin nx, which is minus cos nx divided by n, minus differentiation of this u, that is differentiation of x with respect to x is 1, minus differentiation of x square with respect to x is 2x. Integration of next term means this term. So here we have minus sign. Take this minus sign as it is. Integration of cos nx is sin nx divided by n. Here we have already one n. So n into n is, n into this n is n square. Next, alternate sign plus differentiation of this 1 minus 2x is 0 minus 2. Integration of this term. So here we have minus sign. integration of sin nx is minus cos nx by n. Here we have minus, so minus of minus it is plus cos nx divided by n. We have already n square. N into n square is n cube. Again minus sign. Differentiation of this term is 0. So next terms are 0. Close the bracket. Our limits are from minus pi to pi. You can see here we have sine term because sine n pi is 0 and also sine minus n pi is 0. So we can cancel directly this term. So we left with Bn is equal to 1 divided by pi x minus x square. Here we have minus sign. Take this minus sign outside. Cos nx divided by n. This term is 0. Here you can see 0 minus 2 is minus 2 into cos nx divided by n cube. Limits are from minus pi to pi. Now apply upper limit and lower limit. So we will get here 1 by pi as it is minus. First we will apply upper limit pi. So in place of x, pi minus pi square cos n pi divided by n minus 2 into cos n pi divided by n cube. Next apply lower limit. So take a minus sign, bracket minus pi. Here you can see you have minus sign. So minus pi minus pi square cos n minus pi divided by n minus 2 cos n minus pi divided by n cube. Simplify this one. 1 divided by pi as it is minus pi square into cos n pi divided by n minus 2 into cos n pi divided by n cube as it is. You put this, take this minus sign inside the bracket. So we will get here minus of minus is plus minus pi. This is minus pi square because minus pi whole square is plus pi square only, and cos of minus x is plus cos x. So this is cos n pi divided by n, and this is also minus 2 as it is cos of, we have to take this minus sign inside. So this is plus 2 and this is cos n pi divided by n cube. Now you can see here we can cancel these two terms. Here we have minus 2 cos n pi by n cube, and here it is plus 2 cos n cube by cos n pi by n cube. We left with 1 by pi as it is. From these two terms we can take cos n pi by n common outside. So I'll take cos n pi by n common outside. Here we left with, I take this minus sign inside. So minus pi plus pi square minus pi square. So minus pi square plus pi square will get cancelled. 1 by pi as it is. Cos n pi is nothing but what? Minus 1 raised to n divided by n. This is minus pi is minus 2 pi. So simplify this one. Pi and pi will get cancelled. So Bn is equal to, here we have minus 2 into minus 1 raised to n divided by n. This can be also written as minus 2 is nothing but minus 1 into 2 into minus 1 raised to n. So this can be written as 2 into minus 1 raised to n plus 1 divided by n. So this is our Bn. So put all three values, that is value of a0, an and bn in our Fourier series f of x. So what is our a0 by 2? a0 by 2 is nothing but here. What we got? a0 by 2 is minus pi cube by 3. Minus pi cube by 3 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity. What is our an? An is 4 into minus 1 raised to n plus 1 divided by n square into cos nx plus bn is 2 into minus 1 raised to n plus 1 divided by summation n is equal to 1 to infinity 2 into minus 1 raised to n plus 1 divided by n into sin nx.